Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have a CSX train coming. Let's check it out. SD40 dash probably 2 or 3 trailing.
Second one today.
Second Autorack train that so far.
That was earlier was a mixed Autorack and
This is a mixed Autorack and stack combination right here, yeah.
68.
So that's why the symbol is CSX I168.
A lot of Baretables.
There's some more single stacks.
This is the 8th train video today. And this is 12 trains total.
I gotta get the I symbols now. Need the I100s, right? Yeah.
9 CSX, 1 of them CP, and 3 Norfolk Southerns, and there's the end.
There you go.
There's the end of CSX, Q168, intermodal stack, Baretable combination.
There you go. Alright, let's phrase it here. Symbol on that train was CSX I-168. The 168 originates to Chicago, Illinois at the 59th Street Yard. Heads east to Port Newark, New Jersey, where it terminates. All on this Sunday, July 9th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. It's mixed Autorack, double stack, single stack, and a Baretable combination as well. So, alright, we're going to get off. We'll get back on with the next train. Talk